Hey foodies, welcome to my channel and this is your host Sneha. In today's episode, I will show you a very delicious recipe of bhindi masala curry. Bhindi is popularly known as ladyfinger or okra as well. In this recipe, roasted okras are cooked in onion and tomato based gravy with a tangy twist of yogurt. So let's see the preparation. So here I have cut the okras in half and have removed the stem part. Next, we will prepare the masala paste. For that, I have here roughly chopped onion, some garlic cloves and a piece of ginger. Put them in a blender and make a puree out of it. In that, we will add our dry spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder, and you may also add some Kashmiri red chili powder to get the good color. Mix well and keep it aside. Now heat up a pan and add little bit of oil. Once oil is hot, throw in the okras and saute on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing for few minutes, you can see that okras have got some brown spots. Take them out and keep it aside and let's prepare the gravy. Now if you want, you can continue in the same pan, but I'm gonna use another pan here. Add oil and let this warm up. And for the tempering, I'm going to use cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. Throw them in the hot oil and let it splutter. Now add the masala paste and saute on medium to low flame until oil starts oozing out from the spices. It took me around 5 minutes and now I will add chopped tomatoes and salt to taste. Mix well, cover and cook until tomatoes are nice and soft. Now that tomatoes are well cooked, put it on lowest flame and add whisked yogurt. Mix it thoroughly and then again put it on medium flame and saute until the spice mixture starts leaving the pan. Now you can see the spices are well cooked and started leaving the pan. Add water. You may adjust the consistency according to your preference, but be advised that the gravy thickens up a lot when it's cooled down. And while cooking, the okra will also absorb a lot of water. So I'm using here around 1.5 cup of water. Cover it and let it come to a boil. Now that water is boiling, add the fried okra. Mix well, cover and let it cook on medium to low flame for 8 to 10 minutes or until the okra is soft enough. And after around 10 minutes, the okra looks well cooked and you can see the gravy has also thickened up. At this point of time, you may adjust the seasoning and switch off the flame. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, cover and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. And your bhindi masala curry is ready to be served with some hot fulkas on the side. Try this yummy curry and let me know how it turned out for you.